Hello everyone, I hope you guys are well. In this video I am going to show you that how you can make your laptop's Wi-Fi faster on Windows 10 operating system. So if you think that your computer Wi-Fi is working slowly, you can make it fast by using these steps. So I am going to show you some steps that the way you can make your laptop's Wi-Fi faster. Okay, so firstly you have to open your run, then you have to press on the keyboard Windows R. Okay, then it will open the run command on your computer. Then you have to write here ncpa.cpl. okay, the command is ncpa.cpl. okay, then click on OK. As you can see, there is an interface like this one will come into your computer. So you can come in here by go to control panel, then network and internet, and then network connections. Okay, so as you can see, my Wi-Fi is connected, so I'm going to show you some steps the way that I can make my Wi-Fi faster. Okay, then click right button on Wi-Fi and go to properties. Okay, as you can see that I have got into the Wi-Fi properties option. Okay, here is you can see an option called configure. Click on configure. Okay, after coming to the configure, you will see an options called general, advanced, driver, details, events and power management. Okay, and go to click on advanced. Okay, here you will see so many options here. So I'm gonna change some things here, so the way that my computer's Wi-Fi works faster. Okay, then as you can see, the first option is 802.11 AVG wireless mode. Okay, don't change it anything, change this one, fat channel intolerant. Okay, as you can see, it is disabled. Okay, you have to enable this one. Okay, then I'm going to change another settings, which is roaming aggressiveness. Okay, as you can see, it has so many options: lowest, medium, low, medium, high, highest. Okay, if you make it higher, that means the Wi-Fi that you are using in your house or your office, that this machine will get the highest priority. So I have another couple of machines in my home, so that's why I'm making it medium. You can change it highest, low, medium, low, highest, low, as you can see on your preference. Okay, I'm gonna keep it medium. So here I'm not gonna change anything, so then click on OK. Okay, now your Wi-Fi will be reconnected. Okay, as you can see, it is reconnected. Now it has been connected. Okay, so now I'm going to open the Wi-Fi properties again. Okay, then I will click on configure again and then go to this power management option. Okay, as you can see, allow the computer to turn off this video to save power. So if this option is unchecked in your computer, you have to check these options as well. Okay, so make sure you have checked these options in your power management option and click on OK. Okay, so this is the first step. So now I'm going to show you another step, which is you have to click on the properties again. Okay, here you will see an option called Internet Protocol version port TCP IPv4. Okay, then click on here. Okay, double click. As you can see, you have to make sure this to obtain an IP address automatically. You have to make sure that this option has been checked, and this obtain DNS server addresses automatically. These options has been checked, so you have to check these two options in this Internet Protocol version 4 options. Okay, then now click on advanced. Okay, as you can see that in the DNS option, in the IP settings option, as you make sure that your DHCP options has been enabled, you have to make sure these options as well. Then coming to the DNS, you have to check these options as well. So you have to check this option, otherwise the Wi-Fi will work slowly. So you have to check these options as well. Then don't change anything in this here. So now click on OK and click on OK, then click on OK. Okay, so this is these are the steps that you can make your laptop's Wi-Fi faster than before. So I hope this will help you a lot. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.